Comparing a Seiko to a Rolex might sound like a stretch, but hear me out, because Seiko just pulled a move straight out of Rolex's playbook, and the result is one of their most affordable and versatile everyday watches yet. Today, we're talking about the new Seiko 5 Sports Hebitama SNXS series, a smaller, refined take on Seiko's entry-level automatic that might just be the perfect everyday watch for under $400. Let's start with the foundation. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual, or OP, is Rolex's simplest, most versatile automatic, made for everyone, in 5 case sizes from 28mm to 41mm. Seiko's equivalent is the 5 Sports SNXS series, an automatic everyday watch that debuted last year, based on the cult classic SNXS discontinued back in 2019. The modern SNXS keeps things clean and functional. A 37.4mm stainless steel case, baton hands and indices, day-date window at 3 o'clock, and Seiko's signature 4 o'clock crown. But Seiko just decided to follow Rolex's lead and shrink things down even further. Enter the new Seiko 5 Sports Hebitama SNXS, a compact 32mm version inspired by the 31mm Oyster Perpetual. Seiko is marketing it as a ladies' watch, but honestly, in 2025, size is style. If you want to wear a 32mm watch, go for it. And the best part? There's no downgrade here. You still get the same helmet-shaped Hebitama case, the same baton hands and indices, 100 meters of water resistance, and Seiko's bright Lumibrighter Lume for low-light legibility. Inside, you'll find the Caliber 2 R06 automatic movement, with hacking, hand-winding, and a 40-hour power reserve. That's nearly identical performance to the larger 4 R36 in the 37mm version. The real upgrade here is the bracelet. It's still a 3-link design, but with flatter, polished center links and brushed outers, giving it that dressy Oyster vibe, almost date-just-like. It's classic Seiko reliability wrapped in Rolex-inspired elegance, all for around $375 to $415, depending on the version. 3 models launch this December: the denim blue, double cream, and mixed metal two-tone, all part of Seiko's mission to make great design accessible. It's not a Rolex, of course, but for under $400, Seiko just proved that you don't need a crown to feel classy. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more watch content, and let me know in the comments. Would you wear a 32mm Seiko?